Guys, take a deep breath and listen carefully, because today I am about to show you a coin that looks super basic, super normal, and very ordinary. But this coin carries history, culture, and serious collector interest. Yes, I am talking about the coin with the Arabic coffee pot on it, a symbol of hospitality, friendship, and tradition in Arab culture. This coin may look like a simple circulation piece, but the truth is that some specific years, varieties, and minting errors of this coin have sold for surprising prices at auctions. And in today's breakdown, we are going to talk about why this coin matters, what to look for, and how to check whether your coin is a normal one or a valuable collectible. But before we start, if you are new to the USA Old Coins family, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, because here we reveal rare coins, secret values, auction records, mint errors, and hidden treasures, and maybe your coin will be the next star in one of our featured videos. Now let's talk about what makes this coin interesting. First, the design. The Arabic Dallah coffee pot on this coin is not just decoration. It is a centuries-old cultural symbol of the Gulf region, representing respect, hospitality, and generosity. This makes the coin famous around the world and gives it huge international collector appeal. Second, some specific years of this coin are more valuable, especially low mintage years, and coins with special characteristics. For example, coins with struck-through grease, off-center strike, misalignment, weak strike, or die, crack errors can dramatically increase the value. Third, even condition matters. If your coin has sharp edges, clear design, strong strike, and minimal scratches, it instantly becomes more attractive for collectors, especially if it grades higher, like MS64, MS66, or MS67. Now, how to check your coin? First, look at the year on the coin. Some dates are much harder to find, and therefore more valuable. Next, carefully inspect the coffee pot design, especially around the spout handle and lid. Sometimes you will see tiny defects, cracks, doubling, or missing details that can be real mint errors, and that means money. Next, check the rim of the coin. If it is uneven, thicker on one side, or struck slightly off-center, that can be very valuable. Also, check for metal errors. Coins struck on the wrong planche or with unusual coloring can be worth a lot more than face value. If you think your coin has something special, do not clean it, do not polish it, and never scrub it, because cleaning destroys collector value immediately. Your first step should be to keep it safely preserved. Then, if you believe it has potential, submit it to professional grading companies like NGC or PCGS. This certification can multiply its value because grading proves authenticity and condition. After grading, if the coin is rare enough, you can contact major auction platforms or international collectors to sell it safely and at a fair price. Never try to sell such coins randomly on Facebook, WhatsApp, or OLX, because scammers target sellers every day. Guys, if you enjoyed this breakdown, then join our USA Old Coins family, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me which coin you have, or which country coin you want me to cover in the next video. And who knows, maybe your coin might turn out to be a hidden gem. This was the full breakdown of the coin with the Arabic coffee pot. I hope you learned something new and valuable. See you in the next video, and keep checking your coins, because the next treasure might already be in your pocket or drawer.